Today, Toastmaster Taj is presenting his speech. The purpose of this project is for the member to practice developing and presenting a proposal. He is presenting his Pathways Level 3 Project 1. Speech title is All It Takes is Just 10 Minutes. Over to you, Toastmaster Sadri.
Thank you, Toastmaster Mustaq. Over to you, Toastmaster Taj. All the best. We see your smiles and I want more smiles. Over to you.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Am I audible? I can't hear you guys.
Yes, you are audible, Toastmaster.
Am I audible? Okay, I can hear you. What I just did is, I used the infamous I am audible trick to spend a few seconds of my speech. Why would I resort to such a trick? Because I don't have much to say. Why do you think I don't have much to say? Because I prepared my speech yesterday night.
Second time.
You are not audible. You are not audible.
I'm audible. This whole situation, my speaker went off. I think my audio will be a bit less. My mic volume will be less.
Kindly speak a bit louder, that's all.
I love this whole situation of me in this unpreparedness made me ask a few questions to myself. When I asked the question, am I prepared enough? Do I have all the 5 Ds of success required for Toastmasters to be a good Toastmaster? When I asked myself, do I have the desire to be a good Toastmaster? Well, I even have a dream. I have a dream of addressing a large gathering. Am I determined? Yes, I am renewing my membership regularly as a Toastmaster. Am I dedicated? Of course, I am attending meetings regularly. What about my direction? I have clear direction by pathways. Then what am I missing? Then after a lot of thinking, when I thought, am I disciplined? No, I am not putting consistent efforts. I'm not giving enough time to improve my oohs and ahs. I just hope I'm the only person in this boat, the boat named Busy Being Busy. I hope all of you prepare your speeches well ahead of the deadline. Well, for those who are in the same boat as I am, we complain. After joining Toastmasters, we are not seeing any results. Invisible results demotivate us. It's a vicious cycle. It gets stretched downwards. Demotivation, lack of participation, lack of interest. It's a downward vicious cycle. But I am here to propose to spend 10 minutes of your day every day to practice your communication and leadership skills. Well, you may be thinking, only 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes. Yes, there's a science behind this. Whenever we take action, a bunch of nerves in our brain start firing electrical signals. All these nerves together form an active network. Whenever we repeat the same action, the bunch of active network fires rapidly, instinctively, and effectively. The motto of my proposal is repetition. If you do. Motto of my proposal is repetition. Since good communication is a skill which it requires frequent practice and repetition. What I am proposing is print, review, and practice. As soon as you finish a project, get a printout of your next project, maintain a folder of your project speeches and your evaluations from your evaluators. Review your evaluations, work on your weaknesses and strengths, find out what you can do to improve you on your weaknesses, and spend 10 minutes every day. It would be better if it's on the same time of the day to work on those weaknesses. What do you get if you do this? You'll become fairer. If you come out of comfort zone, you'll start seeing drastic changes. You'll start loving yourselves. There's a research conducted at Harvard University by the Carnegie Foundation and Stanford Associations. It states, for a person or a professional to be successful, he or she will require 85% of soft skills and 15% of hard skills. Give me 85% of soft skills. Soft skills are the skills that are learned right in Toastmasters. It includes good communication, good presentation, good sense of humor, body language, and assertiveness. Moreover, positive attitude towards failure. Hard skills are your technical knowledge, which is mere 15%, which is a technical knowledge about your profession that matters for your success. Now, we have an education which focuses more on hard skills than on soft skills. Now, don't think of joining your kids Toastmasters. Let them get 18. Am I audible? I can't.
You are audible.
Okay. I hope 10 minutes is not that expensive. What I am proposing is, don't try to be a superhuman, superwoman or superman by preparing your speech on a day before your presentation. Rather be a normal man or woman by preparing and practicing on your speech just 10 minutes a day. As such, if you go online and Google famous Toastmasters, you'll find a long list of Toastmasters whose lives have changed after joining Toastmasters. Only joining Toastmasters won't suffice. We have to come out of our comfort zone, stretch ourselves. We'll have to put consistent efforts, 10 minutes daily. If you do what I am proposing, we will have famous personalities in our club, not online. All it takes is just 10 minutes. All it takes is just 10 minutes. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.